Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a what I eat in a day as a gluten-free girly. So to start off the day, I'm gonna have a green smoothie. I found this recipe on TikTok, so it is not my own. I did kind of adjust it a little bit to my liking as far as the fruits and whatnot, and then add in the yogurt. But other than that, it is something that I saw on TikTok. But we have the magnesium glycinate powder, the amazing grass green blend superfood, glutamine. As a gluten-free girly, no need to explain, you need this. Again, super greens from Sprouts. We have the chlorophyll from Sprouts. I add elderberry because my immune system sucks. I love the Trader Joe's peaches and the white grape juice. The Phage total, I do 2% milk. Some people do the zero fat. I'm okay with 2%. And then I do the strawberry banana blend unsweetened from Aldi. So I'm gonna put that in a blender and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So give me 1 second. Okay, so I take 1 scoop of all the supplements. This is how it looks. You're gonna take a handful of the greens. Okay, so the other thing I'm gonna do, I already put a bagel in my air fryer for like 4 minutes. They're thin bagels. They're like, what is it? What is this? It's 100 calories. 2 bagels is 200 calories, and I'm only making 1. It's gluten-free and vegan. I love this brand. I have been waiting for basically bagel thins to come out. So that's in the air fryer. About to put that back in, and then I'm gonna make some okra water. So I bought this like a couple days ago, and I've been meaning to make it. So I'm gonna cut up the okra and put it in this pitcher with water to create okra water. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay guys, so I cut up as much okra as I'm gonna put. This is actually my first time doing this. Basically what has happened is I kind of need a reset for my stomach as far as the gluten. Gluten is in so many things. It's very hard to prevent being glutened, as they call it. So this is me resetting my body, my stomach, and everything like that. So I'm just gonna use some spring water in here. I rinsed these off. I just cut them all up, and then I rinsed it off, and then I'm gonna let it sit, and it's gonna get that ooey texture, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. I'm obviously not gonna drink it today, but I'm making it today. So hey guys, I'm back for lunch, and I'm gonna make some fish tacos. Yes, I know I should be using shredded lettuce, so don't judge me, but that is gonna be salad. It's still lettuce, so it'll be fine. I'm using my gluten-free cassava wraps, pickled red onions. I have avocado in the back, and I'm gonna be using cilantro avocado like sauce on the actual taco. Very, very good. And then I'm gonna season my fish, my tilapia, and put it in the air fryer for 8 minutes at 400 degrees, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I've seasoned the tilapia. I use salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, tilapia mama seasoning, and paprika. And now I'm gonna put it in for 400 at 8 minutes, and then I'll assemble the tacos. Okay, I have assembled the fish tacos. Is it cute? Not really, but it's gonna taste really, really good. I'm gonna put a squeeze of a lemon and then my cilantro avocado sauce, and this is the one I'm using. It's from Aldi. So yeah, I put the pickled red onions, I put the avocado, fish, lettuce, and then like I said, my sauce is gonna top it off, and that'll be lunch. And I'm not even sure what I'm making for dinner yet, but it's probably gonna be quick because I have a lot of work to do. And for dinner, I had a baked pasta with ground turkey. It's kind of like baked ziti, but I use penne pasta because I am gluten-free and I can only find penne pasta. So that's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more videos like this.